Hello viewers, welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. Let's solve previous year paper of class 6 IMO paper of year 2021. For more such videos, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for new uploads. If rose is coded as 5436, chair is coded as 78915, then what will be the code for search? Now code for rows and chair is given and you have to find the code for search. So just make tables as shown below and you can see the code for corresponding letters in the two tables and you can write the code for search. A set of three figures x, y and z showing a sequence of folding of a piece of paper is given. Figure Z shows the manner in which the folded paper has been cut. Select the figure from the option which shows the unfolded form of figure Z. Now figure X and Y shows how the paper has been folded and figure Z shows how the folded paper has been cut. Now you have to choose from option A, B, C, D what will be the unfolded form of figure Z. So you have to imagine when you open this figure Z or the paper in figure Z how it will look. Select a figure from the options which will continue the same series as established by the problem figures. Now you have to choose from option A, B, C, D which figure will continue the series. Now I have given you a hint, so you can check the hint and find out your answer. All answers are given at the end of video. How many threes are there in the given series which are immediately preceded by 9 as well as immediately followed by 6? Now look for 3 which are preceded by 9 and immediately followed by 6. So I have given you the hint. You can check the hint and find out your answer. There is a certain relationship between the left pair of the alphabets. Establish the same relationship in the right pair and find the missing term. So there is certain relationship between the left pair of alphabets and you have to find the same relationship in the right pair. That is where you have to find the question mark. Now see the tables below. From A to G 5 letters distance is there. From I to O 5 letters are there. Now from M to S 5 letters are there in between M to S. So you can now easily choose from option A, B, C, D which option shows 5 letters distance. How many triangles are there in the given figure? Now count the number of triangles in the given figure. You can write numbers inside the triangle as you count them, so or mark something, so it will be easy for you to count. You can check your answers at the end of video. How many meaningful English words can be formed with the letters C, E, I, V using each letter only once in each word? So with these four letters, how many words you can form by using each letter only once in each word? Kanika correctly remembers that Pratik's birthday is before Sunday but after Thursday. Vipul correctly remembers that Pratik's birthday is after Friday but before Monday. On which of the following days does Pratik's birthday definitely fall? Now see the hint. Kanika remembers birthday is between Thursday and Sunday. Now, which days come between Thursday and Sunday? For Vipul, Vipul remembers birthday is between Friday and Monday. Now, which days come between Friday and Monday? Now, choose the common day between Kanika and Vipul. Two positions of a dice are shown below. If 5 is on the top, then which number will be at the bottom? Now in both the positions, one is at the same position, that is on the right hand side. It is only possible when we put the dice upside down. In this case, when we put the dice upside down, so see the first position. In the first position, 4 was at the bottom and 6 was at the back side and 5 was at the left side of the dice. Now when we put the dice upside down, in the second position, 2 will be at bottom, 3 will be at the back side and 5 will remain at the left side. Now in the third position, when 5 is on the top, what number will be at the bottom? So obviously 1 will be there at the bottom. Select a figure from the options which satisfy the same conditions of placement of dots as in the given figure. Now you have to select from option A, B, C, D same condition of placement of dots as given in the figure. Now let's see how the dots are placed. So see the hint. First dot is inside all the shapes, that is rectangle, triangle and circle. And second dot is inside rectangle and circle only. Now choose the same conditions from option A, B, C, D. Pointing to a photograph, P said to his friend Q, "She is the only daughter of the father of my mother. How is P related to the person in the photograph?" Now, pointing to the photograph, P said to Q that she is the only daughter of the father of my mother. So, how is P related to the person in the photograph? In a row of 50 students, if Raman is 22nd from the top, then what is his rank from the bottom? So, in a row of 50 students, Raman is 22nd from top. Now we have to find his rank from the bottom. Now in order to find his rank from bottom, see the hint, subtract 22 from 50 and then add 1. You will get his rank from the bottom. Which of the following figures will complete the given figure matrix? Now see the figure matrix carefully. Now choose from option A, B, C, D which will complete the matrix. Find the water image of the given figure. Now see the given figure. Imagine how it will look inside the water and then choose your correct answer. You can check your answers at the end of video. Which of the following Venn diagrams best represents the relationship amongst women, mothers and widows? Now see the hint. Both mothers and widows will be women, so they both will come under women. Second, some mothers can be widows or some widows can be mother. Third, not all widows can be mother. Fourth, not all mothers can be widows. Now it will be easy for you to choose the answer. Check your answers here. You can see answers of all questions here. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments what type of video you want to see.